All right, I'm trying to find you. Oh, there, I see you. Sorry. Sometimes it can get dark in the mines. So I got my hand in Niffler here. Hopefully it'll help me seek out some gold as I go continue my mining today. I can strike it rich. Hopefully I can do that. So I'm going to tell you about your assignment today. You're going to be doing mining disasters. So you go on down here and it'll say mining disasters and click on that. All right. And then it will bring you up to this assignment. Okay, and remember, it'll have that blue submit button for you to submit there. I'm going to click on it and make it a little bit bigger for us to see. Now, you're going to be using some different websites to help you find answers to the questions. So here, this will be just a review about what happened at Schofield Mine. It just needs to be a short little summary. Then you're going to be reading about the Castlegate thing. Again, you could just type in who, what, when, where, how, right there. Then you're going to be using some of these websites here to answer these questions. Notice it says what ethnic groups, which countries were among the dead at Schofield. So there's lots of people from different places. And you're going to tell me what different places were they from, because they're not all from the United States. Okay. All right. And then you're going to just answer, you're going to go click on this one, and there's like a chart, and you're going to answer some questions there. And then you're going to use this website, of course, to answer some questions here. This chart goes with this question right here. And then the last but not least, you're going to be comparing some stuff using this website here. So I hope you have fun. You're going to be learning a lot about the different disasters that have happened in Utah. Okay, good luck, guys.